If a coolant boils, it can be as serious for an engine as having it freeze. Boiling coolant in the water jacket becomes a vapour. No liquid is left in contact with the cylinder walls or head. Heat transfer by conduction stops, heat builds up, and that can cause serious damage. One way to prevent this is with a radiator pressure cap that uses pressure to change the temperature at which water boils. As coolant temperature rises, the coolant expands, and pressure in the radiator rises. It soon rises above atmospheric pressure, and that lifts the boiling point of the water. Engine temperature keeps rising, and the coolant expands further. Pressure builds against a spring-loaded valve in the radiator cap until at a preset pressure the valve opens. In a recovery system, the hot coolant flows out into an overflow container. As the engine cools, coolant contracts and pressure in the radiator drops. Atmospheric pressure in the overflow container then opens a second valve, a vacuum vent valve, and overflow coolant flows back into the radiator. And that stops atmospheric pressure collapsing the radiator hoses.
Hello. Everyone has a business website these days, but few have a business YouTube video that can be embedded into your website. YouTube business videos are the most powerful marketing tools today, yet the most underused. Starting at just $200, MLS Pro Videos can produce your YouTube video starting at just $200. We can use your photos, or use stock video footage, or come to your place of business and shoot your video in high-def widescreen, including voiceover, music, and much more. Please visit our website and see some videos that we've done at www.mlsprovideos.com, or call me at 541-531-3691. Thanks for watching. I am Bill Kiefer. Until next time.
Thank you very much for watching. My name is Bill Kiefer. We are MLSProVideos.com. We do YouTube videos for individuals, events, and business. Again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.